Good evening, you all. Good evening, you all. Good evening, please. Are there? Sit down. Sit down. Some more to come out. Yes. Okay, 6:30 now. Why the people are here? Who are the new people? What is your name? Sarah, from which school?
Presentation.
Actually, same presentation. Let her tell. So she's so happy presentation. Who is the other one? Yes. What's your name? Reva. Reva is from which school? Ryan Nerul. Okay. Boy side. No. So from which school? Ryan Nerul. Okay. So these are all of you, the new people, attendance sheet signed and okay, name is not there, please write your name and sign that. Where is More? Absent?
He's late.
He's always late. He's staying somewhere near you or did you admission or as per
Second class.
Second? Ah, that means not you now. Why late? From where you are coming? From where you are coming? What happened? You are new or first time you are coming? Come in. What's your name?
My name is Shreyas.
Which school?
Presentation.
Presentation. Oh, presentation. People are coming. You are new or last time you are there? First time you are coming. What's your name? Vaishnavi. From which school? Randall. You? Last time is there. Just close the door. Why are you late? Oh, you're new. Last year you were there now. Why are you late?
I'm not feeling that.
What happened to you?
Something.
Arey, don't worry. Climate is changing, that's why. Okay. Last class I have given some work to do.
Yes, sir.
Homeworks are done.
Yes, sir.
All of you completed.
Yes, sir.
I can see your work.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I had a doubt in second question.
You have a doubt in second question.
Multiply the GST on every amount and then add or we multiply it with the whole value.
You will find out now. Doubts. Let me see where is your work here.
I also have doubt in it.
Because the work's done. Okay. When you are new or physical, not done. You done. Not complete the exam. 1, 2, 3 equals calculate the together. No calculate is enough. Sure. Ishani. Where is yours? Those who how many of you did not get the I-card?
विशाल विशाल आया आपका क्या नाम है जिसको आईडी दीजिए वैष्णवी प्रसाद ना
Question and what you will be saying?
ये टाइम टेबल और सबको मिला क्या नाम है जय साहब
What question? Loudly.
पारस
Actually, you don't understand how to find the gist. Okay. Remaining anything done? Opposite done? Last now, as you log in. All answers got? No problem. Okay, yours. Done all? All answers got? Any problem?
हो गया ना
You? How about yours? So, all answers got? Any problem? First time. You are the, what's your name?
Parasha.
Last time, last lecture you are there?
Yes, sir.
Now, why you are late? Why you are late? Yours, Avi, run all cover, all answers you got. All the answers you got, Avi. Okay. All right. Yours, first time. Your second and third is remaining. How many questions you have done? And second and third.
Second and third homework questions.
Which is the homework you done? This one. Why is it down?
Second one, we have
What is the doubt? Let me clear after the doubt. Okay, let me clear the doubt. Done. Homework exercise. Very good. How many questions are done? 1, 2. One, two. This is the second one is complete continuation now here. And that is incomplete, no? Yes, it should complete, no? Amount of the bill. Amount of the bill separately you found out or totally you found out? No. You find out, no? And yours? Huh? Why last is remaining? No time or what? Which was calculation table not made, no? Discount and all this. Where is the discounted price and all? Selling price of each item we have to find out, no? This one, where is the selling price? Yeah. You have to make a table now, which item 1 by or item 1, 2, 3, like that list and total. Okay, just here. How about you? Done all? 2 kilo. Why is cutting? This small if you write it, you will read little more bigger right below. Okay. Like this one right over here, this one right over here. This one. Okay. Any questions were there as a homework? 4. Now listen here. Okay. Run mobile and all off now. Yeah. Some of your these one works are incomplete. Some of your works are not proper and all. So homework while doing things little more properly you have to do it. Okay, because presenting in the table and all, why you are doing this one. When in the examination when it is coming, the teacher should know how it is done and teacher has to give the correct thing. Teachers are not going to read A to Z from 1 to 7. They'll see final values and all. Okay, this one. Not that, oh, what is this one written. So, do it properly. Alright. Okay. Now, let's come to the doubts. For some of people said the doubts, no? Okay. First question. One more question. Yes. That was a fill in the blanks, no? Ishmeet, well, filling the blanks was there, no? First 2 questions. You could do it?
Yes, sir.
Read the question and give the answers.
For the foreign transaction from Delhi to Jaipur, fill in the blanks to find the amount of bill. MRP is given 50,000.
Okay.
Discount 20%, yes 28%.
Okay.
Discount which is given is 80% by 100, 80 by 100 into 50,000.
That is wrong.
From that we will find out the discounted value.
You have to take the textbook and what is the fill in the blanks you have to give? You are filling the blanks, yes, discount is asked.
Discount 10,000 rupees.
So that is the thing you have to do now, not the 80%. No. How will you calculate discount? 20% of 50,000. That is equal to 20 by 100 into 50,000. That is 10,000 rupees. Now, the selling price or discounted value, how much?
40,000.
50,000 minus 10,000, that is 40,000. CGST.
GST is 0 because
Why? Because it is interstate. SGST. 0. IGST.
28% of 40,000.
28% of 40,000, how much?
11,200.
11,200. Amount of the bill?
Amount of the bill 51,200.
40,000 plus 11,200, 51,200. All of you got this answer? I don't know this man. Look here, after 6:30, Unto is coming. I don't know who is a stranger. Maybe somewhere coming in or roaming in somewhere.
No, sir.
Then?
My father came to drop me, sir, in the last stream.
Huh?
My father came to drop me.
So that is why you are late.
Yes.
Indirectly you are finding fault in your father.
No, sir.
Then
My
what?
mom was going to the hospital.
That's it. Oh, where do you stay? Nerul where?
Sector 10.
This is sector. How much time walking distance time there?
Sir, while walking, sir, it takes me a long time.
Long way to go. Okay. Chalo. Somewhere you sit down. Where you want to sit? Here you want to sit. Anywhere you sit. Okay. Homework is done by the way.
Sir.
Done. All answers you got?
Yes, sir.
Sure. I checked all the homework. Yours will be left out. Okay. Chalo. Attendance sheet also take. So, who is this? Ishani is signed. Sheza. Who's Sheza? You're not signed. Your friend did not give you, na? Hey, look. You signed? Huh? You also not signed? Shivangi. You're Shivangi, na? From your paper, where it is gone? She passed it. Look here, this attendance sheet is Vishal. Any Vishal is there? More. My More is here. Look here, this attendance sheet is important. Do you know why? Because they will take, after 5 minutes they will take. Then they, if it is not signed, means message will go to your parents. What absent. So that's why make sure that you have to sign this attendance sheet. Okay. So, pass it. Those who are not signed, please sign. Okay. So second question, all of you got. Is there any problem? Which is the next question you had the what homework to be done? Sorry, first question. Second question here, sir. Homework has to do, no? Okay. Pass it this way. This way you pass it. They give to this girl. She will pass it to the next one. She will pass it to the next one. Okay. Now, second question. This one. You read the question. Sit down. Sit down.
Find the amount of bill for the following intrastate transaction of goods or services.
Okay. You belong to this class. What is your name? Why you come so late? Come. This is the first day you are coming? Huh? Which for you are from which school? Right.
Harvard.
Right, Kargar. Okay, so why you late? You know what the time the lecture starts? Do you know? Others are signed? Okay, so lecture starts at now, timing is there. Okay, where do you stay? Ulve. Come, someone else also said Ulve coming. Who was that? Okay. Come, sit over here. Why are you doing that? You know, the attendance sheet is there. You have to see the place and the signature. Okay? Okay, so this is the intrastate transaction is coming as, I think all are come now, no? So no more, okay. So, intrastate transactions are going on. Ishmeet, what is the problem?
So do we have to multiply the CGST to individual amounts, or do we collective add up all the amounts and then we multiply the CGST?
Is it CGST same for everything?
Yeah, no sir.
Then how can you add up CGST?
So I'll do it individual.
Under you tell na, it is CGST. If the CGST is same, means you have to add and do it. Percentages are different. Can you add all the percentages? If you got maths 40%, physics 50%, so you add both of them and that's 90%. That way it's not possible, na? You cannot take the average also. Okay, individually separate. If it is over all of them means okay, then same percentage means that way. Okay. Yes, sir. One. Okay now?
Yes.
So, second question, how many else have the doubts? You also have the doubt. What is your doubt?
What should not GST is given directly CGST.
That means your concept is not clear. That is why. Okay. Anyway, somebody else, you or someone was, what was your problem? How to find out the GST? How to find out the GST is a percentage, na? You have to calculate the percentage. Do you know how to find out 20% of 200? How do you find out? Loudly, 20 upon 100? To amount 200. So that is why you have to find out now. If GST is 10%, means 10% of the loan. If CGST is 5%, 5% of the selling price. Selling price is also known as discounted value. Understood? Okay, percentage to find out only. That is the then amount of the bill means selling price plus GST. GST means it is either IGST or CGST plus SGST. Okay, that is all. So since these are newcomers, this is done. This chapter is done in the school.
Yes, sir.
Newcomer, I said those who have come new over here, raise your hands. Today, first day coming. Okay, this chapter is done in the school. No, okay, that is right. So once again, quickly one recap I will tell you. Okay, then while doing more sums, you will come to know, and I will take one sum and do for you people. Okay, you word GST means what is the meaning of GST? Goods and service tax. So tax paying to the government by the when you purchase the things. Okay. Now this is the one we pay to the government for each and every items are there. Okay, there are some things are there which does not have to pay GST also. Okay, there are non-GST also things are there. Not that everything has the GST. Now, GST rate varies from per item to person per item to item. Okay, which goods are there. Okay, it is not only purchase of thing, goods and service tax. Goods means whatever you go and buy, that is called the goods. You want to go buy a shoe, you want to go buy a pen, these are the goods are coming, or you whatever you purchase things are called the goods are there. You know what you mean by service tax? Service.
Yes.
Lot of services are there, no?
Yes.
You come to over here to UT, when you paid the fees, there is a service tax was there, isn't it? That is a service tax is coming. Or if a person is coming as an AC mechanic is coming over there and working over there, so he will tell my charge is, let's say if you want a bill, yes I want a bill. So they will tell my charge is 2000 rupees plus tax. That tax is service tax is coming. Okay, understood now? Now, next is, so they will give the value of the tax percentage, you have to calculate. Cost price, you know what is the cost price? Okay, I bought a, like for example, I bought this book. I am a person, I am a shopkeeper, okay. I bought this book for 200 rupees. And I keep in the book and I'll keep, I wrote over here 300 rupees. Okay, so I'll write the things over here. I bought the book from the shop 200 rupees. I mark the book amount as 300 rupees. I will write a discount percent is equal to let's say as 10%. And GST is equal to let's say 16%. So I bought the book for how much?
200 rupees.
That is called the cost price of the book. Understood now? That is called the cost price of the book. Now what is this 300 rupees?
The selling price.
Map.
I mark that one on the marked price or in the list price, okay, published price. This is called the marked price. Okay, this is now where what is given over there? I given an offer, discount percentage means what do you mean by discount? What is the meaning of discount? Amount will be that much you don't need to pay. Okay, discount means we all feel happy. Right? Discount is there. So here 10% discount. So what is the meaning of 10% discount? 10% of 300. What is the 10% of 300? 10 by 100 into 300, 30 rupees. So you will get, oh, it was marked 300 rupees, I'll get for 270. But I'm very cunning, so I was 200, so I made it, I'm getting as 270 rupees. So my profit is 70 rupees. That's all. Are you followed?
Yes.
So that means what is this 270 rupees? Selling price. For me, it is a selling price. For you, it is your cost price. Okay, understood or not?
Yes.
I am telling about I am selling. It is for. So the things are coming over here. So this is your. What is my case? This is CP. This is what? Mark price, MRP, okay. Mark price, list price, okay. All these things are there. This discount you will get as 30 rupees. And 300 minus 30 which is equal to 270. What is this 270? Selling price. This is called the selling price. All of you followed this much?
Yes.
If anyone not followed, please tell. Are you followed? Okay. Following. Now, next is coming as after that tax I had to pay. It is not 270 rupees. You will not get for 270 rupees. I had to pay a tax. How much is the tax is given? 16%. Now paying the tax means there are different ways are there. Now I am staying in Mumbai. From Mumbai only is coming. There are two words will come as. One is called interstate and second one is called intrastate. Inter and intra. I'll write over there. One is inter. Second one is intra. Okay, interstate and intrastate, same thing. Okay. Do you know what you mean by interstate?
Within the state. No, sir. From one
That
state
is
to another
why
state.
should not be confused that word.
From one
Okay.
state to another state.
Interstate means from one state to another state. Between two states. What is the meaning of intra? Same state. You are in which state now? Maharashtra. Okay. So in Maharashtra, anywhere you are going to buy means it is called
Intrastate.
Intrastate. I am going to Delhi, from Maharashtra going to Delhi, and I wanted, this book was not there. I went to Delhi to buy the book. So then my purchase is what purchase? Interstate. Okay. Moray was very cunning man. He found out that it's in Pune. So he went to Pune and purchased. Then what is it? Intrastate. Are you followed?
Yes.
Okay. Dhoni was more intelligent. She said, oh, in Bombay side it is there. So she went and purchased from Bombay itself. Then Intra. Mumbai to Mumbai is the same place only, na? Same state means which one? Intrastate. Because this has to be very carefully you have to identify. Okay. Within the state means which? Intra. Intra means within one state. Interstate means what? From one state to another state, between two states. This much is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now now the next word it is coming as, the words are coming as IGST, CGST, SGST. GST, you know what is the meaning of GST? What do you mean by GST? Goods and service tax. I means integrated. But some of the other class they ask integrated. Integrated. Integrated means combined. Okay. C means central. Relax. Okay. Okay. C means central GST. S means state. I means integrated. C means central. S means state. This also followed now.
Yes, sir.
If you are purchasing, if you are doing any transaction with interstate, you have to pay IGST. Other two values will be 0. Are you followed?
Yes,
I repeat, if you purchase interstate, you have to pay IGST. Other two values are 0, nil. You don't need to pay. If you are going to for intrastate, then you have to pay these. Intrastate means you have to pay CGST and SGST. What all you have to pay? CGST and SGST. Actually, you know, if you take this one or this one, both are equal value only. Don't think, oh, I am being taxed to the central and this. How we are doing now? If it is GST 16% means IGST will be same as GST. CGST is half of GST. SGST will be also half of GST. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
So here I had to pay 16%. 16% means if it is interstate, directly I will calculate what? 16%. If it is intrastate, what I will do? 8% for CGST and 8% for SGST. Actually the value will be same. And if it is intrastate, what is IGST? 0. Okay, if it is intrastate, IGST is 0. This much is followed, all of you? I hope this concept this much clear now. Even those who joined today also followed something. Okay, this much. And this whole calculation is percentage. Percentage means how to find it. I got 80% in maths. How will I calculate?
80 upon 100
80 upon 100 only.
80 upon 100
Into total mark, not 80 upon 100. Okay, 80 upon 100 into, immediately see what is the total mark. If it is 100 means 80 marks. If it is out of 40 means 80 upon 100 into 40. Understood or not? That is the way. So percentage you should calculate. Okay, this much percentage. Always say of what? Percentage of what? Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay, so this all clear now? Okay, now one by one, think and do it. Okay, it's not that you know directly do. You just think while reading. After reading the question, think. Oh, what is it and all? Nothing much over there. Only calculations. Don't make mistakes. Okay. Now your question. Anyone have any clarification? Nobody is asking any doubts, any difficulties. All of you know everything. Let's ask some questions now. Once in a while, Ishmeet ask some doubts. Otherwise, nobody asks a doubt. Somebody else can also ask. You also ask the doubt. Okay. Yeah. Now homework question. Anything I have to do? If you need Ishmeet, should I do the homework question? Yeah. Yo, Ishmeet. Huh? Anyone needed any question, homework question to do means you tell me, I will do it. No problem, no? Some of you are not done. Okay, now look here. We were doing the exercise. Which one? 1.1. Oh, the same group only. Okay, 1.1. How many questions we are done?
Question 4.
1, 2, 3 is done. Fourth one also done. According to Bhatia, it is 4 also done.
Oh, sorry.
It is thoroughly now done.
Yes.
Okay, third question is 1, 2, 3 questions are done. Okay, now fourth question. You read the fourth question.
Find the amount of debt for the following income states of the goods service. GST is 80%.
Okay, then the table is given, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so you follow what type, which transaction is there?
Interstate.
Interstate. Interstate means what you have to calculate? You can, huh? Huh? No, unstate to other state. So it is interstate, no? If you want, so what you have to calculate? CGST, SGST, IGST. IGST. Okay, understood? And do we need to calculate CGST? No. Do we need to calculate SGST? No. Okay, so this is the thing here. So this one with the tabular form it's better. Some of you are doing one by one separately. As far as then you have to give the headings and all. Okay, so let's do. I will pay only 5 rupees only, no? No. Next time if you are not doing, I will pay 5 rupees only. Okay. So question number 4. Okay, first is quantity, isn't it?
Yes.
So quantity. Use a scale. All last class also said all of you must carry scale, pencil, pen. At least that much. Okay. Quantity is given us. How much is the quantity? 3 items only. 35, 47, 20. These 3 items only. Okay. Quantity. Okay. Then the next is MRP of each. MRP in rupees. So that also a small column you can make it because no calculations are coming over there. Okay, so 420. The next one it is coming as how much? 600. The next is how much? 350. Yes or no? This is the third column. You'll write total MRP. Why total MRP? Because there are a number of items. So how will you get the total MRP? MRP of each is 420. There are 35 there. So we will multiply and write. Multiply and write it all of you. 35 into 420. Don't need to shout. All of you do it yourself and make the table. Those are done. Turn the page and do again. Look, this turn. You're done already. Turn the page and try to do once again. Let's see before how much time you will get. The next is discount percentage is 10, 10, 20. The mobile is ringing. Total MRP followed. There are 35 items are there. Each of them is costing is 420 rupees. So total MRP is 35 into 420. Multiply and do it. Here we can multiply. Okay. Fast do it. Hello, it should try to complete in one page itself. Okay, not to other people have written small over here. These are no only calculation was here now. Then discount 10%, you put half a kilometer. Fast. Ishani, do it fast. You should be the first person to do it. What happened? Write down now. 35. Leave one line and write it. Next one more line, you tell that. 8. Okay, no, not 8. Last class also I said if you want you can bring one paper for rough calculation. That paper. What happened? Can see my board what is different? That means table make no. This is the question you are writing now. This is the question with the your new no. You will get the volume in that question will be there. So make the table quantity.
So the last one is 350 or 380.
Check in the textbook 350 only na. 350. Okay, leave them. You write the column, make the other thing. Okay. Make it bigger. Why you making first number column make it now? You write quantity. Okay. The quantity is then QTY is enough. Right. First one quantity is how much? 35. D1 line. Then write next one is how much? 47. Next one is how much? 20. Okay. Next what you need? MRP. So that don't write the MRP because if you don't write the first value. Why you need to only read value now? Because the last column we need okay now. So write the value 420. 600. So here we write total MRP. Multiply these two, like that. Okay? From column we can put this y is equal to that. There are more people. Okay? So multiply this and write over there. Able to follow? You can somehow sit over there. You can. Okay. Following this way job. Okay, see there are next column. Those who don't know, no need to make. You made or what? Fast you make now. Total MRP multiply 35 into 421.
So,
Do it fast. You are making me to do it. Not cheating, no cheating. Okay, now look here. RS now. For first value, who got the answer? How much is it?
13230.
1470.
Total MRP is 147.
Yes.
147. Only 10.
00. No.
14,000.
Well, I am getting different answers.
No, sir.
Second value.
2000.
Now,
28,000.
all of you be quiet now. Let him speak now.
28,200.
28,200. I will ask. They will only tell. Okay. Third one. Yeah, you. 7,000. Be careful with the zeros and all. Okay. This is discount. Now, all of you listen here. I think a lot of people made the mistake. Selling price means, or discounted price means 10% is the discount. So, how much is the selling price?
90%.
Either you can find out 10% and subtract from here, or 90% of 14,700. Are you all followed? Those who are not followed, tell me, I'll explain again. Okay. The selling price, if the discount is 10%, means how much you have to pay? 90% you have to pay. If discount is 15%, how much you have to pay? 100 minus 15, 85% you have to pay. Are you followed?
Yes.
So this one you look at as 90 upon 100 into 14,700 value find out. All of what the more here again I will write 90 by 100. All of you should do yourself. Those who are not getting, those who are not followed, tell me. You are not followed? Followed now? Tell now. Are you followed? This is discount is 10%. So balance will be how much you will pay? 90%. Okay, right. Not equal to you calculate na. Separately write and calculate anyway. Okay, so 0, 0 calculate and multiply and get it. Depending on what you do. This is done. Then basically, so you have to show how did he get it. Like that. Okay? Because we know that is important. Why you do like this? Not to do it now. That's next column when you make it now. After one line. Yes, problem? Did you make the table? Show me. Why are you doing this? Where is the table? Where is this table? Why you are not making table? Difficult to make. You have to show me the book, not to show. Yeah, what's the name? Huh? So, not followed or not? Are you following? So you have to make this table now. Examination people will write this means nobody will give you marks. You have to write, otherwise everything. First item, quantity this much, MRP for one week this much, therefore total MRP this much. Okay, list on everything you have to write. They will not give two calculations. Okay, understood? That's the same you make the table, do it fast. Yes, what happened? I will tell you. Wait. Yes. 100 minus 80 is percentage, so 80%, 90%. Okay, you calculated. How many of you calculated the SP column? Quite a lot of people are calculated. See, look here. There are 3-4 are not doing quickly. You have to do it. Okay, so this is calculated. Yes, here. Yes, for you given the answer as one of you give yes first value. First value. 12,960. Yes or no?
No, sir.
30. But what is the answer you got?
13230.
13230. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
13230. Look here. Those who are not able to calculate, just 2 zeros are cancel and multiply by 9 and put 1 0. That's all. Okay. Second one. Okay, you.
25,380.
25,380. All are getting the same answer? Yes. 380. Third one.
5,600.
5,600. All are getting the same answer?
Yes.
Okay. Our table part is enough. Because you don't need to find out separately IGST or SGST and all. Okay. This much is enough table part. This page, all of you, those who are not completed, please complete. I need to see this table in here, this one. Now, after that you will write total. How much you find out? Add all these three. Add all the three. Yeah, I will ask. Let them all of you add. I will ask. How many of you got the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First. What is why you delayed so much? Okay. Tell, what did you get the total?
44,210.
44210. All of you got the same value?
Yes, sir.
44,210. Check all of you. If anyone getting different answer, please tell me. Avi, what is the discussion over there going on? Any problem? Now, this page is clear now.
Yes.
All of you check your mobile. Either put in the silent mode or switch it off. And don't put in your pocket. Put in your bag. You know it will be vibrating. Then I wanted to see what it is called and all. Is it? No, just put your either switch it off. As far as I tell you, switch it off. That will be better. Okay, not worry. You all are in the safe over here. Okay. If anything needed, they will call the office. No, not this is now. Okay. This page is done now.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the Acha, that is calculation. These all remaining. All of you look here. Shh. In your examination paper, remaining calculations you can do it as rough work. Not should be go everywhere here and there. The teacher will search. Don't worry, okay? Hey, don't worry, don't worry. These are the learning now. Why I am telling these are in the now you written here and there because examination others teacher has to research where is this answer and all. Okay, so teacher mainly check this is the value. If this is correct means this all part is correct, isn't it? This much it is correct. Next is it is given the what is the question? Who read the question? It is given interstate transaction. Okay, you're right. Since it is given, it is interstate transaction. Given that below write down. Given that it is interstate transaction. Okay. Now below you write total SP is equal to what is the total SP? Rupees 44,210. GST is equal to what is percentage? 18%. Since it is interstate, what do you have to calculate? IGST is equal to 18% of 44,210 or 18 by 100 multiplied by 44,210. Just cancel 1 0 and multiply by 18 and put 1 decimal. Multiply, okay, no problem. Let all of you do it. Don't look at the remaining, calculations and all of you must do it. No need to ask, we will tell you. Multiply 4421 into 18. After 18 multiplied, put 1 decimal. How many of you got the answer? Still, others do it. Okay. What is your answer you got? 7957.8. Put 0. Is it the answer you got?
Yes.
Okay. This is the IGST you are giving us. Okay. Written all of you?
Yes.
All of you wrote this much? Yes. Those who are not calculated, you have to do it. Now I will ask one by one. There are people are telling, those who are not raising hand, I will ask them. Because there are some people who are not raising. Next is here. SGST. How much?
0.
CGST.
0.
0. Okay. Because there is no need. Now, what is the question asked? Amount in the bill now?
Yes.
Is it or not?
Yes.
What is the question? Huh?
Yes.
Amount. Question. Read the question and find out. Amount of bill or amount in bill is equal to total SP. What is total SP? 44,210 plus GST. IGST is GST. So it is 7957.80. Add both of them. Are you followed? What is the doubt? Ask now. Not followed. Look here. So this much is it is interstate. You have followed that much. Okay. So there is IGST is calculated of this one. Then so that these two values are not there. So how much you have to pay? What is the selling price plus the tax? What is selling price? This is the selling price. What is the tax you got? This one. Add and give it. Understood?
Sir, you have to mention SGST.
Better to mention, okay? 0 only write, no calculation, no? Better to mention. How many of you got the addition? Oh, quite a few, okay. Here, second last, the red t-shirt. 52,167.80. This much rupees. Unit you have to write, remember. 52,167.80. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any problem? Anyone is facing any problem? Please tell me.
No.
Lot of time is taken, calculation is taking lot of time. Something you have followed, no? Okay, because you means this is first you're doing now, don't worry. Okay?
But this question will come for how many marks?
This question can come for generally 4 months. Only then what 10 marks will be. Okay, once practice and practice, but calculation will be, so 3 quantity, there are 5 quantities, 6 quantities are there. All of you followed? Ishani, are you followed? Ritu, are you followed? Able to do now? Okay, everyone. If table type of question, if you want without table also you can do it. But what is the problem now? One by one, all the steps you have to write. Quantity first item, quantity is this one, MRP this one and all. For the second item, again quantity this one. Table is convenient. Okay, understood? So let's go to the next question now. All of you completed now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, second question. You have a volume with you? The last girl. Do you have this? Please stand there. Come here with the book. Either you go inside or this one. Okay, sit down. Alright, okay. Now, question number, this was the classwork question number 4, no?
Yes.
Okay, classwork question number 5. Boys side, one of you read. Who is going to read? Nobody. Boys side, one of you read. Nobody is raising the hand. Reading also. You are the only one who is reading. Okay. Okay, you read.
A dealer in Mumbai supplied an item at the following price to a dealer in Delhi. Find the amount of
Mumbai supplied an item with the following prices, isn't it? Okay, dealer in Delhi. So which transaction? Huh? Interstate. In between I am hearing intra because inter. Okay. Mumbai to Delhi is which one transaction? Interstate transaction. Now the table is given. Okay, over here everywhere SGST is given as what? 9%. Okay. Actually, this one 9% is SGST. Do we need to calculate SGST? What do you have to calculate? IGST. So if SGST is 9, then what will be GST?
18%.
Okay. You don't need to calculate separate this one. Okay, because all of them have the same. The similar way we can do it. So make the table. First one is what?
Rates per piece.
All of you make the table. Okay. Now you know how much in the one page it should fit. Okay. For rate and all, less only rate you will write short only rate. In rupees, if you want to write rupees over here, that much is enough. Okay. Then rates are given us, how many rates are given? 180. Then what is it? 260 now. When you read 310. Then 175. Then quantity. QTY is enough. That is small column needed. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 20. 10, 20, 30 and 20. Discount is there. Okay. Then total MRP. MRP. How will you get total MRP?
Quantity into rate.
Multiply, isn't it? Rate into quantity, you get total MRP. All of you do it. Which one? All full book is done. Good. You have become very fast. Okay. This you made the table also, na? Table also you made.
What is the meaning of net?
Net. Net means no discount. That we array my dear. Look at first we find out total MRP. Then we can think about the net and road. Okay, write down, but write down. Total MRP remaining you go to write on the desk or what? I need to make 3-4 columns. That is why be careful while making. Okay, see, I need only this much was only. The quantity would have been finished over here. So, think and do it, okay? How many if you multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Ritu, give me the first answer. 1,000. This also you can write in rupees over here. 1,800. Next one. Yes. 5,200. Next one.
9,300.
9,000. This calculation is easy now.
Yes.
Next one. 3,500.
500.
Okay. I hope all of you got this one.
Yes.
Now you will write discount now.
Yes.
Discount percent. This one. When you read what are the discount percents are given?
Net 20.
Net.
30.
Well, net then 20.
Net and 30.
30. Okay. Then you will write next value is called discounted value or selling price. Okay. Either you write discounted value or selling price. Both are same thing. SP in rupees. If it is net means there is nothing, same thing only 1,800. 20 discount means how much you have to pay? 80%. 80 by 100 into 5,200. And that don't net means same thing. This is 70 by 100 to 30 by 100. Net means the same value.
Done.
Tables are not taking fast please now. Calculations are taking proper time. Okay, who got these calculations? Yes, first value.
4,100.
Huh?
4,100.
4160.
Yes.
It is 9,000. Next one.
2450.
Huh?
2450.
2450. Okay, I can stop the table over here. I find the total. Because if you look at the next column, SGST is same for everyone now. So you can total, you can do it and there is no need to kind one by one. You have to find the amount of bill now.
Done.
Add all the four values. All four values done. Doubt? Done. Abhi, I didn't get any answer from you till now. But answer has to come from me now. Yes.
Add all the selling price and then do the calculation ICSE on it, but ma'am said no. When you do it, you will not get the marks. So
You'll do it.
yes, sir. So
If it is, look here, the percentages are the same means it's easier way to do it.
Yes.
If you want to find out separately, you can do it. There is no problem. Understood? If it is different GST means you cannot add. That is why be careful. Addition done?
Yes.
What is the answer?
18,710.
1818.
70,000.
17,700.
When after I am writing only 17,710. How many of you got this answer? Majority means okay. You made some mistake. Okay. Now, next is
ICSE.
written now. Now, yes, what is given in the column? SGST, na?
9%.
SGST is equal to 9%. Therefore, GST is equal to 18%. Okay? SGST is half of the GST. This much is followed this much.
Yes.
Then total SP. Total SP is equal to rupees 17,710. Okay. Now write, is it inter or intrastate?
Inter.
So write since it's interstate transaction, therefore IGST is equal to how much? 18 by 100 into 717710. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So you know, no, they are not calculated.
That's
Okay, so you know, okay, why this is calculated? Because the GST is applicable. Okay, same GST you can separately calculate. No problem. Yeah. Who got the answer? Only 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you.
3187.80.
3187.80.
rupees.
This much all of you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So amount in the bill.
Total is equal to
Is equal to, oh, I forgot to write two things. What are the things?
GST is equal to
SGST is equal to 0, CGST is equal to 0. Okay, therefore amount in the bill is equal to 11710 plus 3187.80. 177, no? 177, 17,710. Add both of them. What is the answer you got?
20,897.80.
20,800.
897.80.
What do you want? 807.
897.
All of you getting this answer?
Yes,
If
sir.
anyone not got, please tell me. Okay. Calculation, some of you are little slow. Here to improve this. Okay. Here calculations are not much now. One digit multiplying or 2 digit multiplying. That's all. Okay now. Completed all of you?
Yes.
Is there anyone still finding difficulty? Any doubts or difficulties you have? Okay. That was a question number which one? 5. Okay. Yes. 6 no. We are going to do the 6th question. Okay. One of you read from here. Yeah. Read. Oh.
Traders that provided the following services to NSPTA trading company in UP. Find the amount of risk.
So first of all, tell me what type of transaction is this one?
Interstate.
It is interstate. Intra-inter. From where to where? Delhi to this one, UP. Delhi is separate, UP is separate. Okay. So it is interstate. Now over here, you can see there is no discount. Isn't it discount? Whereas next thing is the GSTs are different. So every state you have to find out the GST and that, and you have to find out the amount of the bill. Okay. So let's make the table again. Discount is not there. Be careful in calculations. First one it is coming as was number of services. Number of, in 2 lines you can put, right, there is no problem. Number of services is coming as how much is there? 8, 12, 10, 16. 8 to 12, 10, 16. Okay. Now, cost of each service. Each. That is in rupees. Now you should know how to make the columns and all. 680, 320, 320, 260, 40. Okay. Cost of each service. Okay. Now next is what? There is no discount and all. Total.
So total cost will be.
Total cost. That also in rupees. What is to be done? Multiply. Yes or no? Multiply. Multiply and write. Ishani, you have to give me the answers. Eight into 680.
5
Maybe low. Oh, madam, wait. Let others okay. Multiply and write the answer. Multiplication done. Ishani, first one, what is the answer he got? Oh, Ishani, first answer, what did he get? Yeah, you are Ishani. You don't do it fast now.
Done, sir.
What is the first answer? 5440. Okay. Second answer? 3840. Third one? 2600. Fourth one? 6720. All of you got?
Yes, sir.
Now what are the GST percentages are given? 5.
5, 12, 18.
One of you read now. You read.
5, 12, 18.
Read now.
5, 12, 18, and
And
12.
12.
Now you will call different. Therefore, IGST, it is which transaction?
Interstate.
Interstate. So find out the IGST. How you find out?
5
There is no discount, you know. Therefore, no discount. So 5 by 100 into 5440. Find out. 12 by 100 into 3840. 18 by 100 into 2600. 12 by 100. 6720. Without mistake, all of you have to do it. Yes, yes. Calculate all of you. Cancellations are possible, cancellations are, you can do it.
Done.
How many of you done? How many are completed now? More. Okay, very good. One more minute I'll give. Yeah. Okay. Alright, those who got the answer, okay, when you give the answer?
272.
272. Next one. One of you, I'll call one by one. Next one. 460. 460.80. Yes, so next one. Here, third one. You. Did you get the answer?
Yes.
How much?
468.
468. Next one. Here. Tell.
806.40.
806.40. Yes or no?
Yes.
All of you got the same?
Yes.
Now, amount. So this is the amount. Amount means what only you have to add? Total cost.
And total. I just.
Total cost. If you want to write the form cost plus IGST. Both of them add. If your space is there, you can write directly add and write the answers. Done. Next time remember, okay, we have to make it proper, okay. Whenever you make the table, don't write anything in this side. Rough calculation, so that please keep in mind. Okay. Next time, don't write anything over here. Don't give half page of table. Okay. Try to make it this way. Otherwise, everything will be too congested. Okay. This half page work, not for the table. See with this better. Right. Done.
Yes.
What happened? Common work is which means cheating you don't have
No cheating, sir.
then what? We keep 1 or 2 pages, rough pages are there now in the form. Keep 1 or 2 pages in your book so that always you can write. Done.
Done.
How many of you are done? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you did not give any answers. Tell me first answer.
2007.8.
2000
7.8.
Please give an IGST total.
IGST you added. You added these two, these all?
Yes, sir.
Not that one. Total this plus this plus this plus.
I do did a mistake.
Who did that way? What is the first answer?
So 571.
5712. Then second one
4300.80.
4300.80. Third one
3068.
3066. 6, 8. Fourth one, girl side. 75.40. You can add this one. This is the total. That is the total amount of the bill. CGST, SGST is not there, na? ICSE. The below we will write over it. Okay? After making it. Done. 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 Lot of people not giving the command. Avi, what happened? Avi did not give answer till now. You got the answer? They totally got. Then tell the answer now.
20,607.20.
20,607.20. How many of you got this answer? Ah, very good, Avi. Other side. Different answer anyone is getting? Yeah. No. Don't you got the same answer?
Yes.
Okay, below write down now.
What?
Below write down that since it is interstate transaction, CGST is equal to 0. Not writing. He is always thinking and thinking. Since it is right over there, since it is interstate transaction, CGST is equal to 0, SGST is equal to 0. Therefore, amount in the bill is equal to CGST equal to 0, SGST is equal to 0. Amount in the bill is equal to rupees. Same. Rupees how much? 20,000. 607.20. This is the amount. This amount can be done by another way also. How? This can be, I did this plus this and this one equal. Instead of that, find the sum of this one. Yes or no? And sum of this one. And add these two. Same answer should come now. Then also same answer should come. Some of you must have done that way. You must have total cost, sum of the total cost, total IGST, and the total. That way also you will get it. This is okay now.
Yes.
Everyone followed, completed.
Yes.
Yes, now I'll ask somebody to do it on the board. This is Ram Traders amount of the bill. Okay. Relax now. You will find out now. Okay, more read the 7th question.
For the following, find the amount of bill.
It is not given interstate or intrastate now. Since it is SGST is given, it is considered as intrastate. Okay, otherwise they will specify. So the 7 is similar way. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start doing. Vinny looks tired.
No, sir.
No, so let's do. Calculations are too much over.
Yes, sir.
Is it lengthy calculations?
Very less.
Very lengthy. So, first one column, rate per piece, rate. How many are there? 18, what 4 items? 18, 12, again 12, 28. Then number of pieces. Number 360, then 480, then 120 and 150. Then total total cost. Tell na, what you do.
We can write total rate also.
Total rate, total cost na, or total MRP or total cost. Multiply and write 18 into 360. Combined multiplication are going on, Ishmeet. Combined work is going on here. I will multiply this, you multiply, I will multiply. Division of work is going on. What are tired of it? Okay. Fast. Who got the total cost? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, first one you
6480.
6480. Second one 5760. Third one 54140. Fourth one 4200. Now, next is discount percents are given. What are the discount percents are given? 10, 20, 5, 20. 10, 20, 5, 20. Now discounted value means 90 by 100 into 6480. Find out. Then 80 by 100 into how much? 5760. Calculations are there. 95 by 100 into 1440. 80 by 100 to 4200. These all cancelled. Calculations are not that too lengthy. 0 cut 2 to 0 cancelled. Here also 2 0 cancelled. 1 0, 72 and 90. Now decimals comes. Yes. Discounted value and SP are same thing. While taking, we just take out. Okay.
Thanks.
Table goes, more columns are there. Got it, this one?
Yes, sir.
What is the first answer?
5,832.
5832. You got the second one? Fast. Yes.
4608.
4608. Third one?
1368.
1368. Fourth one? 3360. You have to speed up, if I am waiting for everyone to multiply means one lecture maybe 2 or 3% only get to. That's it. SGST percentages are given. What are the percentages given?
12, 18, 12, 28.
12, 18, 12.
28.
Is it SGST percent or GST percentage?
SDSL.
I think that's a mistake is there. Should not be 20. Maximum GST is 28%.
It is GST percent.
Because maximum GST is coming as which one? It is 28%. It is GST percentage. Make a correction in your volume. It is not SGST percentage, GST percentage. Huh? GST percent. Oh, anyone calculation done? GST and all? No. Okay, now SGST means how much? Wait. There is no need to find out. Directly find out the GST. No need of it. Just write GST. Okay. No need to write anything because IGST. Huh? If it is given, they are not mentioned now. Okay, just directly find out. Means 12 by 100 into 5832. 18 by 100 into 4608. 12 by 100 to 31368. 28 by 100. This is calculation is lengthy one. This is only one question, I think, lengthy calculation. All others are not that. That way long, that is long way, na? Directly multiply in 12 and put 2 decimals, that will be better, na? Don't cancel this one, 2 2's, multiply by 12 and put 2 decimals, that's easier. If zeros are there, cut. 0 is not there means directly multiply and put decimals. Shani, what is 5832 into 12? Divide and Isha. And when you have Ishani somebody else to do that. Shani, very famous. Multiply and tell me. Ishani has to tell me. Okay, 5832 multiplied by 12. Calculation are difficult. Little calculation can be okay. Have you got how much? 64984. So first one is 64984. 6 really 649.
No, sir. 9.
699.84.
6999.84. Be careful. Okay. This also multiply. If I write the answer, lot of people will copy. That's it. Ishmeet, you done all multiplication yourself? Busy? He is doing. Avi, you done multiplication?
One, sir.
Third one. What is the second one you got?
Sir, 368.6.
368.64 is the second one.
No, sir.
No, sir.
What did you get?
829.
829.44. What you wrong multiplication, make it up. 829.44. Mr. More, third multiplication done. Yes, sir.
For this year, 59.
Sir, I got good mark.
Amit,
Sir,
all of you got the mark?
also here, sir.
Huh?
78
78 out of 80. Shagra got full mark.
Oh. Now हमारे marks की condition.
I'll ask everyone. All of you got the result now? Which school? 70.
Now also between 9
Others got the result?
Yes.
Others. Good marks?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, good. Okay, don't worry. Next time, okay. First test onwards. First school test onwards, make up your mind. I should get 90% mark. Good. But yeah,
Yes.
otherwise I'll call you. In between, I am going to call. All of you listen. In between, I am going to call one more parent to find out the performance. Without knowledge of yours, I'll say, come on, please stay. They'll come and I'll ask, how is your family studying? Study is going to be okay. Mark should come, everyone. Second and third one, who got that? Yes.
Sir, 164.16.
164.16. Fourth one.
940.80.
940.80. Amount also found out, all of you?
No, sir.
Add these two. Add these two. Add these
So we
two.
can do
Add.
this.
Or we can add this and this also. That will. This was lengthy question. Okay. First addition who got? Not doing what happened? Tired or?
6531.8.
6531. Anyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Sure. It's not looked over here. Okay. Sometimes the answer doesn't come from you. Okay. Confused or what? Make it the table of form. Okay. If you are not able to make this way, also table. Okay. It's all that there should not be any problem. Second one who got it?
151.
You are the only one that beat.
Okay.
Addition done?
Huh?
Tired, huh? I think this is the last table of that one. Who got the second one? Still here. Two people only. Others all are waiting for me to write. Don't look over there and write it. You will be confused. Second one who got? Only 2 people. Girl side nobody got. What is the answer? Loudly? 69. How will you get 4,600 plus 829 now? 5437.
5437.4.
These two added. Next, third one. Problem? Only 2. Where's the third one? 1532.16. Is it or not?
Yes.
Okay, last one who got? 4300.80. Total amount. Total. Who got total? 17802, no? Or 20? 117,000. 17802.24. This was a little lengthy, okay? I know because a lot of calculations. Yes, sir. What happened? Sure now? Okay, so amount in the bill is equal to this much rupees. Calculation was lengthy, I know. Okay, sorry. Now the remaining, I think the questions will be not this much calculation. Okay, only one, two. Even next exercise also you don't have this much calculation. Okay. Yeah. Completed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. Question number 8. No, just right now final amount in the bill is equal to this one. IGST, CGST and all we don't have this one. In this one it's not mentioned anything, so you cannot tell which is it IGST, CGST and all. So final answer is amount in the bill is equal to this much rupees. Okay? Because it's not mentioned in that one. So 8th question. One of you read properly. You want to give the answer or read the question?
Sir, we want to
Huh? Okay, read the one of you read the question. Yes, read loudly.
Mr. Papa's took health insurance policy for his family and paid Rs 900 as STS. Find the total annual premium paid by him for this policy. Rate of GST paid 18%.
All of you followed? Pankaj took health insurance policy for his family. Okay? And how much is there? And he paid 900 rupees as what? SGST. That means it is an intrastate. Okay? Then find the total annual premium. So actually, Pankaj, how much he has to pay? Premium plus GST. That is the thing you have to pay now. So you have to find out what is the total annual premium. Also, okay, this man will tell. You wanted to tell now? Tell.
Sir, that the account will end up like the MRP or the BX. Then, sir, as GST is given as 900 and the
GST is 900.
sorry, sir, SGST is given as 900 and the rate of GST is 18%, sir. So, as an interstate transaction, sir, so SGST would be 9% of X because the MRP.
9% of premium is equal to 900.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So 9 by 100 into premium is equal to how much? 900. Cross multiply, you will get the premium.
Yes.
Yes or no? All of you followed
Yes.
or not followed? Don't follow, tell her, don't look at others. Those are here. Wow, the question once again. You all of you read the question once again because there are people who have problems. Read the question, all of you. Right? Followed, what is the question? Okay, so policy and all, third one, no, at home, every fair insurance policy, medical insurance and all. Okay, he took a policy and he is paying how much? 900 rupees as what? SGST. Okay, they are not given what is the policy amount. And it is given as rate of GST is equal to how much? 18%. Therefore, what will be SGST? 9%. So 9% of annual premium is equal to that value. How much? 900. Are you following or not? So write down. SGST is equal to 900 rupees. SGST is equal to 900 rupees. Okay. Next, GST percentage is equal to 18%. GST percentage is equal to 18%. Written?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, SGST percentage is equal to 9%. Below you can write yes, 9% of what is that value? Annual, what do you have to find out? Annual premium. Is equal to 900. That is 9 by 100 multiplied by annual premium. If you want to take as X and all, you can take, there is no problem. Is equal to 900. It's a small question. Therefore, an annual premium is equal to, this man otherwise cheating.
Sir, it's very easy.
Who asked you? Who asked the answer? Did I ask you? 9 cancel. Get or not? 9 cancel. 2 zeros are left now. Or 100 is left. Therefore, annual premium is equal to rupees 10,000. Are you all followed or not?
Yes, sir.
Those who are not followed, raise the hand.
Only this.
Those who are followed, raise the hand. All the hands are up. Very good. Not following, please tell. Okay. Relax and sit in the class. Don't take tensions. Okay. By second class itself, be quiet, relax and sit. Don't worry. Any problems are there, immediately tell. Sir, I am not followed. No problem.
We will have to add the SDST and CGST.
No. Only premium plus amount of the bill is equal to, or amount he paid is equal to how much? Annual premium plus how much he, actually how much he paid? Who can tell how much he paid?
11,800.
Wrong. Huh? The SGST is 900 na. So what will be CGST? One more 900 na. So how much he has to pay? 10,000 plus 900 plus 900. That is 11,800. No, they did not ask the total amount. No, read the question. What is the question asked? Total annual premium. They did not ask how much is pumpkin paid. Understood? What is the total annual premium? All of you followed?
Yes. We not calculate CGST.
Huh?
CGST क्यों add नहीं किया?
CGST where add? We did not add anything now. How much he has to pay? This is his annual premium. How much he is paying? 10,000 plus 900 plus CGST. CGST also same 900. He is paying from his pocket this one, but his premium is how much? Like a selling price like that. Okay, that is the other one is the tax. Alright? That is the problem. Okay, chalo. Next question. Who will read? Only same person. No, some others also read now. These all coming now. Tired or what?
Yes.
Evening, nothing eat and no. Eat and properly and come over here. Okay. Mommy is not eating anything. I'll not come to be there. Tired people. Yes. Read loud. Loudly read. All of them here and all of them should understand.
Ashraf went to see a movie. He wanted to purchase a movie ticket for rupees 80.
Oh.
As the ticket for rupees 80 was not available, he purchased the ticket of rupees 120 upper class. How much extra GST did he pay for the ticket? GST for ticket below rupees 100 is 18% and GST for ticket above rupees 100 is 28%.
So he went, this is famous as a movie, okay? But GST and all we don't know. So why we are doing 80 rupees plus tickets are available anywhere?
No, sir.
So, okay. So he went, all of you follow, all of you read the question once again yourself. Read, you follow the question. Quietly. Okay, read the question.
Yes.
Followed what is the question meaning?
Yes.
Abhi, explain what is the meaning of the question.
Yes, yes.
Abhi.
So when sir, he wants to buy a ticket of rupees 80. For the ticket under 100 rupees, you have to pay 80%.
But he wanted to buy a ticket of 80. But what happened? Ticket is not available. But he has to watch the movie. So what he do?
120 rupees.
He has to pay the upper class ticket of 120 rupees. Now, if it is an 80 rupees ticket, what was the GST?
18%.
18%. But if it is 120 rupees, what is the GST?
28%.
So you have to pay, find out how much extra GST he has to pay. How will you find out?
So the GST on 120 minus GST on 80.
So first you find out GST on 80 rupees. Then find out GST of 120. But percentages are different, so separately you have to find out. Okay. So right, for 80 rupees ticket, GST percentage is equal to 18%. For 80 rupees ticket, GST percentage is equal to how much? 18%. Therefore, GST is equal to how much? 18 by 100 into 80.
14.40.
GST is equal to 18 by 100 into 80. That is equal to how much?
14.4.
14.40 rupees. This is which. Okay. This much all of you followed?
Yes.
Next, below right. For 120 rupees ticket. For 120 rupees ticket, GST percentage is equal to how much? 28%. Therefore, GST is equal to
33.60.
28 divided by 100 into
120.
120. Cancel 1 0. 28 into 12 multiply.
Rupees 33.60.
33.336. So rupees 33.60. This much all of you done? So if it was for 80 rupees, how much he has to pay the GST? 14 point. If it is for this one, so but he has to pay how much he has to pay? So we will write extra GST is equal to
19.2.
extra GST is equal to what minus what? 33.60 minus 14.40. That is equal to rupees 19.20. Think and do it all of you, okay? Okay?
Yes.
Ishmeet Singh, actually, who went for the movie ticket?
Ashraf.
Ashraf. How much Ashraf paid for the movie ticket?
120.
Wrong.
Just the GST.
So how much he paid for the movie ticket? He paid 120. I will not pay tax.
153.60.
120 plus which one? 33.60. So how much he costed? 153.60. Understood or not?
Yes.
If he got an 80 rupee ticket, how much you have to pay?
94.40.
80 plus 14.40. This all I am just telling only. This way question comes, you should know it. Okay. Actually, he has paid how much? 120 plus 33.60. Okay, that is 150. So these all think and will. Why I am telling these all think? Because all values are there. No additional calculation. Somewhere addition subtraction will be. All of you followed? This one no problem.
No, sir.
Put your pen down, all of you. She's fighting.
No.
Okay. All right. Now listen, all of you. Now we are going to study little more details. Okay. Little more details means like manufacturer. Manufacturer means what do you mean manufacturer? One who makes the things. Okay, that is called manufacturer. Then next is coming wholesaler. Wholesaler means do you what is mean by wholesaler? From the manufacturer who take the things and bulk of things are calculated. Then it will come retailer. Retailer means or shopkeeper means from where the individual. I cannot go to a company and get them this amount. Wholesaler. Wholesalers they will not give. Okay. Wholesaler give to the company. I need let's say one mobile. I will not go to the mobile this one. Where I will go? I will go to the mobile shop. Mobile shop and I will. Now mobile shop dealer from where he got? Wholesaler, not from the manufacturer. Manufacturer will give to the wholesaler. From there, this one. Now, in between, there are two shops maybe. Yes. Dealer may be there. Different places are there. Dealer is there, or from there, transferring is there. Like this mobile is made in, let's say, China. China. Because then immediately you sir, what is the GST over there in China? I don't know. That is way. Okay. This mobile, let's say, made in Kashmir. Okay, I wanted to get over here. So what? I cannot go to Kashmir. My friend is there in, let's say, Delhi. Delhi person also there cannot go. So he has a friend in Himachal Pradesh. So what do you do? He will call Himachal Pradesh. He will go and get it from Kashmir. So he got it. One person. Then what do you do? He will send it to Delhi. Delhi come to in my shop. You will go and buy it. So these are not free of cost now. When I do, I also need some work, money, profit, and all. I will make it. Maybe actual cost of this only 10,000. But when it is reaching to you, maybe 20,000 or 30,000. Okay, understood or not? This process is going. Over there, now we are going to talk about what is the meaning of input tax, output tax, net tax. Okay, input tax or input tax credit, output tax credit, and all the things. All of you can close the textbook and all, listen carefully. Understand the concepts. Okay. Look here. I'll take this mobile itself. Okay. I am a shopkeeper. Imagine I am a shopkeeper. Okay. I bought from somewhere, from the place. I bought this mobile for, let's say, 15,000 rupees. Okay. Then I display this one in my shop. ₹25,000. Okay. Then over there I will write in a small bracket. I will write discount is 10%. And over there I will write over here GST plus GST, let's say 10% or okay 10%. It's easy to calculate that. Okay now? Yes, so what is this one? Now you are the person to customer coming to my place. Okay, More is coming to my house. No, to me, not house, my shop. Okay. Alright, so he wanted to buy. Now the process, I keep the mobile over here. So story is clear that much? Yes. Okay, what happened? I went to somewhere. Okay, for this, what is 15,000 for me? This is the cost price for me. When I buy this cost 15,000, what I had to give? I had to pay 15,000 and come out? No, 15,000 plus GST. How much I paid? 10%. GST is everywhere, 10% means So how much 10% of 15,000 is how much?
1,500.
Okay, that means 16,500 rupees I paid for this one. This is the amount of bill for me. Are you followed?
Yes.
This is my cost price. What is this one?
Mark price.
Sell price.
List price.
It is a list price or mark price. I'm not giving it is a, suppose if it was no discount means it is a selling price. Or okay. So what I do, this is the MRP. Okay, this is the CP. Therefore, I have to find out selling price. How much I have to pay selling price? What will be the selling price?
1,000.
So 10% of 25,000 you have to subtract. Two ways you can find out. Find out the discount. I can find out discount. Discount is equal to how much? 2,500. Okay. And how much you'll get? 22,500. Okay. This is my selling price. This also followed all of you?
Yes.
Any confusion is there, immediately tell. This way you have to think and do it. It's not that every question to question varies. Over there again, I have not come to introduce interstate, intrastate. There also it is there. Okay. Now, so for Atharva More, how much he has to pay? 22,000 plus its GST. What is the GST? 10%. That is what? 2250. So how much is the amount of the bill? 25,000. Now, how much? This double 50 is coming, 7 is coming, okay? 4. 24,750. Have you found out something interesting over here? Oh, interesting part you forget. Interesting, lot of things are there. If you listen, one of the thing. If I 100 minus 10% and 90 plus 10% are both equal.
Yes.
100 minus 10% and 90 plus 10% are they equal?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. 100 minus 10% is 90. 90 plus 10% is how much? 99. Are you followed?
Yes,
See,
sir.
look here, find out this one. 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 plus 9 is 90. Okay, so this is not same. That is why when I see 25,000, when I subtracted 10%, what did you get? 22,500. Whereas when I added 10%, it is not become 25,000. What is it? 24,700. Don't think that these two plus minus 10% and plus 10% cut it and you cannot do that all. Then this has to subtract. Sir, I have to subtract this 10%, then I have to add 10%. So minus plus cut. Possible?
No, sir.
Okay, that's it. Now, next is, so, by the way, how much profit I made? In this all transaction, how much profit I made?
8.
How much profit I made?
50.
Huh?
8250.
So this one, 22,500 minus,
Are
huh?
165.
this one?
This one.
This
This is GST will go to where? My profit. GST is not my profit, nah? Isn't it? Tax will not be my profit. How much I paid for actually cost of the mobile? I paid 15,000. How much I am selling? Therefore, this minus 7,000.
Sir, we are paying GST also.
Yes. You are paying. I am telling. Look here. Now it's coming. That is why I am telling. How much profit I made?
So 7,500.
GST is to whom? Government. Not for me. If I understood now. Now look here. How much GST I paid? 1,500. Forget about the profit part. There is later it will come. 1,500. That 1,500 is called I paid to the person. I am not paid to the government. How will I pay to the government? I paid. So when you go and buy, he paid the mobile, he will tell me, hey, you forget, I will pay to the government, he can do. No, nobody. How the GST, how it is paying? You go and go to the shop, you bought one shoe. They will, the shopkeeper tell, So cost of the shoe is 2000 plus GST. You tell, I'll pay you 2000, remaining GST I'll pay to the government. Possible?
No, sir.
To whom you have to pay? Shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper.
Who shopkeeper will pay to the government. Understood or not? Okay, shopkeeper, whomsoever. Whomsoever is selling, he is not pay, he cannot pay to the government. He has to pay, I have to collect from him and I have to pay to the government. Now this 1500, can I pay? I will tell this person, I am also shopkeeper, I will pay to the government. No. I have to pay to this person, from there we will pay to the government. No. So how much tax I paid? 1500. This tax is called input tax. It is called which tax? Input tax. When I purchase an article, I will purchase how much I pay as tax. That tax is called which one? Input tax. Now, how much I collected as tax? 2500. No, this is no. The collectors.
Sir, 2250.
This is the tax now. 2250 is called output tax. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
I paid how much tax to a person? That is called which tax? Input tax. How much I collected? It is called the output tax. This much all of you followed?
Yes, sir.
Now, how much I have to pay to the government?
Additional.
No. I pocket and yes. I'll tell now. One second. How much tax I have to pay to the government? Already government got how much? 1500. I will not pay this 2250 every time government. No. Government how much I'll pay?
Minus.
2250 minus 1500. That is the net tax paid to the government. Input tax means what I have paid. Output tax means what I have collected. How much I have to pay to the government? Difference of these two. Difference of the taxes. So actually government is going to get this much amount only as a tax. Government will not get this also from here also government will not enjoy like that. Okay. Okay. So what is it? Extra how much profit made? Its percentage. My percentage was 7500. So 750 rupees only government will get from me. From me means I have to pay to the government. I paid to him, so that is something. Now, once again I tell you what I mean by input tax. I purchased the mobile for how much?
15,000.
15,000. How much tax I paid?
300.
10%, 1500. That tax is called
Output
input tax. Okay, input tax for me. Understood or not? Now, what I did? I sell to Atharva. Okay, for how much price I pay sell to Atharva? 22,500. How much tax I collected from him? 2250. That tax is called output tax. Now, how much tax I have to pay to the government?
7.
Output tax minus input tax, 750.
The difference, output tax minus input tax, so you will have some amount left, so
That is my amount.
that will add in your profit.
That automatically it will be already I paid now. That will not add to the profit. Actually, I paid 16,500 now. I collected from my tax from him. Okay. Then, he is thinking, how much I have to pay? Don't worry, all shopkeepers do the same thing. Okay. Every shopkeeper collects the money from the consumers, customers. Okay. Not the shopkeeper is paying tax and all. Okay. Okay. Understood or not? What is the meaning of input tax? Output tax? Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now further, I am a wholesaler. Atharva is a retailer. He is smart enough, he made it what he do over there. He went to his shop. Okay, he kept it for MRP. He knows the market level and he put it as for 30,000 rupees. No discount, he said no discount bluntly, okay, because there is no other shops. Okay, so he said no discount. So, now tell me, for Atharva, so Dhoni went to Atharva's shop. She is going to buy this one. So, how much he has to pay?
30,000.
30,000 plus, what is the GST? There is no discount. 10%, that is 3,000. So how much Dhwani has to pay? 33,000. Okay, this is all. Now come one by one. For me, what is the input tax?
1500.
1500. What is the output tax?
2000 to
2000, 1500, 2200. Now the next person. Atharva. What is his input tax? 2250. What is the output tax?
3000.
3000. How much he has to pay to the government? 3300 minus 2250. Are you followed?
Yes.
Okay, at every stage. Now, how much Dhwani has to pay? What is the Dhwani's input tax?
3000.
3000. What is the Dhwani's output tax?
0.
0. She is the end customer, so she cannot. Okay, that is all. Yes.
Sir, you said we would minus GST from 33,000.
Minus 3 GST from?
33,000.
No, I did not minus GST from 33,000.
Say that 2,200 will be minus from 33,000.
3,000.
Yes.
Tax.
You pointed out.
3,000 and to this one, 750. No, this is the amount of the bill for Dhwani. This is the amount of bill for Atharva. This is the amount of bill for me. Understood? Are you following?
Yes.
Everything combined I am telling. Now again I can connect one more person. Okay, every person input tax, my input tax, output tax. What is the meaning of input tax? Tax paid by me. What is the output tax? Tax collected by me. What is the meaning of, what is mean by this one, net tax?
Output tax.
Output tax minus input tax. Okay. Another way also net tax can be calculated. Take what is my profit. What is my profit? 22,500 minus 15,000. That is 7,500. Find its 10%, 750. Same thing. Even what is his? Check what is his profit. He also got equally. He is very cunning fellow. So he also got he 22,500 only paid, but he sell it for. Therefore 30,000 minus 22,500. That is 7,500. 750. Okay, it's all big. Are we following? That is another way. So basically, are we followed? What do you mean by input tax? What do you mean by output tax? Are the 834 out?
Yes, sir.
Time over out?
So 35.
Sir, but break नहीं दिया था.
Oh, sorry. Okay, nobody said to know. Hello, thank you very much. This discussion is followed now. Next time we will do some homework exercise. All of you have to do. Okay, complete the homework exercise. How many sums? You only do some. I should have given more.
Those are not.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Okay. Any problems are there? Always tell them. Chalo, bye bye. Chalo, how are you going? Father is coming again.
I'll go walking, sir.
भैया मेरे पैर दुख गए.
हमारे क्लास में डॉक्टर है वो जो अच्छी फिर से नहीं मिला फिर क्या बोला मिल गया तेरे को
कब बोला मैंने?
तूने मेरे को बोला वैसा
तो बोला बाकी का मिला मैथ्स का नहीं मिला. तो मेरे को देख रहे थे आप इधर ही बैठे थे हम लोग. नहीं इधर इधर